Taylor, very, very nice work. This is spectacular. The TH is just phenomenal. I love this. And you know what? I'm okay with the wide, somewhat wide kerning and the wide letter spacing. I think this is a winner. I love it. Um, yeah, really nice. Now, as far as your colors go, and don't get me wrong, this is gorgeous too. Any one of these will work. I think this is a little imbalanced. The TH, that monogram here is a little imbalanced. It almost looks like you're trying to, it looks like the H is was purposefully shrunk, reduced in scale to try to fit within that circle. So that's a really uncomfortable visual tension. Love the combination of typefaces. I'm okay with the loose kerning. Just gorgeous work. Gorgeous work. Um, okay, my only problem is your color, and you're lacking contrast in your logos. The other comment is that now this I would not use as this outer square because in graphic design, the negative spaces that form around objects are often quite as interesting as the negative spaces. See, they're often more, just as, if not more interesting than the actual design. Okay, so what you're doing by presenting this as a square is you're kind of eliminating those negative spaces. They're there, but the eye doesn't perceive them as it does without a big square. And therefore, this logo takes on the shape of a rectangle instead of this wonderful, versatile negativity that's going on in these other logos. I hope that makes sense. If not, let me know. But my recommendation is to get rid of that box out of the background. Again, just, okay, what I want to talk about is contrast. Contrast is a really important principle in design because what it does is it helps maintain this visual consistency at different sizes, for one. And I love that we post work in PDF format because it allows us to mimic this idea of looking at your logo from a distance. So what I'm going to do is I want you to take a look at this logo right here. This one's not too bad. And that's why I said before I don't mind the wide spacing. But take a look at the other logos. Take a look at this one. It's going to disappear. And it is already, see? Okay, now it's almost two white lines on a black back or a purple background. And can you see how that's happening over here? The word graphic design has completely disappeared. You can't see it. This is falling apart. Taylor is the name. Gosh darn it. I know you taught us how to say it, but I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I don't want to hack it up further than I already did. So maybe you can teach us, or at least teach me your pronunciation again. I don't want to make that mistake again. That was embarrassing. I'm sorry. Anyways, so do you see what I'm saying? So that's what I mean about contrast with this falling apart. I think a really good experiment for you to do would be to take all three of these designs and just transpose them into black and white, and then do that experiment. Go back like this, go zoom down. Now, right now I'm at 6.25%, which doesn't mean anything because it depends on my window size and my resolution, but where you'll be, just back off far enough that you get this effect, and then show this next to your black version, and you'll really see how contrast comes into play. Okay, so those are my recommendations. You're fantastic here. I mean, I'm really happy. I love where you're going. If I need to answer any questions, or you have anything that I said that doesn't make sense or needs to be clarified, just please let me know. But again, fantastic job. Thank you.